If you wonder if Huawei Watch Fit 4 does have Google Wallet Pay, well, let me quickly tell you that no, this watch doesn't support the Google Pay or Google Wallet function, basically. As we go into the Huawei Health application, real quick, let's go for the devices and app gallery, the place where we can install applications for our device. We will be able to find a lot of different applications, but not the Google Pay. But there's an alternative that's called a Quico Wallet, I believe. This is the application where you can add a wallet, payment cards for your device, but this application is currently not available for some reason for this device, even though the watch does have NFC and does support payments. So if you are watching this video after like a couple of months after the release, there's a high chance that there's actually an application on this app gallery, and that application is back actually right here. I don't know the reason why it's not here, but that's the quick answer for you.